Hey, foodies, welcome back to the channel, where we turn simple ingredients into show-stopping dishes. Today, we're diving into a timeless classic that's as delicious as it is Instagram-worthy, the Cobb salad. Let's talk about what makes a Cobb salad so iconic. It's all about the layers. From creamy avocado to tangy blue cheese and juicy chicken, this salad is a perfect balance of flavors and textures. Alright, here's what you'll need to make your Cobb salad sing. Crisp romaine lettuce and leafy greens, grilled chicken breast, seasoned to perfection, hard-boiled eggs for that creamy richness, cherry tomatoes, burst. His is more than just a salad, it's a flavor explosion. Every bite hits with a perfect combo of creamy, crunchy, tangy, and savory. Whether it's lunch, dinner, or meal prep, this Cobb salad has you covered with freshness, creamy avocado slices, crispy bacon because, let's be real, bacon makes everything better, blue cheese crumbles for a tangy kick, and, of course, a classic vinaigrette to tie it all together. Start with a base of greens, don't be shy, pile it high. Next, we're layering the chicken, bacon, tomatoes, eggs, and avocado in neat rows. This is what gives the Cobb salad its signature look. Finish it off with those blue cheese crumbles. Look at that rainbow of colors. Now for the final touch, a homemade vinaigrette. Drizzle generously. And don't forget to save a little extra for dipping bites as you go. Trust me, it's worth it. That's it for today's recipe, folks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drool-worthy dishes. Hit that bell so you never miss a bite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!